Consider upgrading high-touch surfaces during new home construction to significantly reduce germ transmission in kitchens and bathrooms. Start by mapping every high-touch point, including cabinet handles, faucet controls, light switches, door hardware, and countertop edges, so you know where antimicrobial materials will have the most impact. Choose copper or copper alloy hardware for those points because copper has a documented ability to reduce microbial loads. Specify solid copper or a high percentage copper alloy and confirm finish durability with your supplier so plating does not wear away quickly. For horizontal work surfaces, opt for quartz or antimicrobial laminate that incorporates silver ion or other proven agents, and request technical data sheets showing test methods and longevity of the additive at manufacturing concentrations. Install hands-free fixtures such as motion-activated faucets and touchless soap dispensers in sinks, and consider foot-activated or wrist-operated options for sinks where motion sensors cause false triggers. Maintain routine cleaning protocols even with antimicrobial materials because those surfaces reduce but do not eliminate microbes. Choose cleaners that are compatible with the chosen materials to avoid degrading antimicrobial treatments. Finally, evaluate any antimicrobial coating or treatment for expected service life and whether it can be reapplied during scheduled maintenance so the protection does not become a short-term benefit. 3 common mistakes are assuming antimicrobial equals maintenance-free, selecting materials without confirming long-term efficacy, and installing hands-free devices without planning for user behavior. People often reduce cleaning frequency after installation, which undermines the benefit, so keep a cleaning schedule with compatible products. Buyers sometimes accept marketing claims without reviewing technical data sheets, so demand test results and manufacturer timelines for degradation. And teams frequently place motion sensors poorly or choose devices that are not robust for frequent use. So pilot a fixture in a mock-up or high-use area and confirm sensor placement and maintenance access before full installation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like antimicrobial surface upgrades and helps us find local professionals who advertise services and materials. We host a discussion community where our members share installation experiences, product performance, feedback, and contractor recommendations.